Yeah. Oh my gosh. Hi everybody. Wow guys, is that how we say it? Hi everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, wow. Wait, look at the reflection at the back on the microwave, but it's whatever. Guys, finally I'm here. Ngifikile. Sifikile. Sabona. Sapega. So what we're making is waffles. So what I have is, I have flour. You know, I didn't even want to show these brands because I've realized something about sponsorship, and I'm not being sponsored. So it's like, why should I even show? But anyway, what we're going to use is flour and eggs, sugar, baking powder. I'll actually write down the ingredients for you. Some oil and what else? Vanilla essence and eggs and milk. So I'm going to show you guys what to do. So we're going to get right into it. So what we need is 2 cups of flour. I never cook like this, but because I'm starting a YouTube channel and I want everything to be precise, what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix everything right here. So we just need 2 cups of flour. I just hope it's enough flour. And I'm going to put it in my bowl. I don't know if you guys can see my bowl. Guys, I'm really trying to work with these what do you call dimensions? I don't know what you call them, but whatever. 2 cups of flour. I'm not even sifting it, which is fine, guys. I'm just trying to, show you guys what to do. So I gave you guys 2 cups of flour. I'm going to put this here. So what I've learned is that you do the dry ingredients with the dry ingredients, and then your wet ingredients with the wet ingredients, and then you mix them together, and then boom, boom, boom. I'm not the greatest baker. I just know how to cook, but when it comes to things I'll bake, oh Jesus, have mercy on me. So what we're going to do, and I want to show you guys a trick on making a waffle better and what makes it fluffy. Yeah, what makes it fluffy. So now that I have 2 cups, I'm going to put in my baking powder. How much baking powder do I need? 1, 2, texting me. Oh, hi Tammy. Ha. So what do you need? Baking powder. So I'm just going to put 1. Whoops. Oh yeah, so here it is. 4 teaspoons of baking powder, which is quite a lot to be honest, but if it's needed, it's needed. I don't know if this thing is coming to the end of its lifespan, or if I should actually take another one, but it's because it's at the bottom. Yeah. So 4 tablespoons of baking powder. Wow, does not even focus. Do I have to do those things? That was so cool. Anyway, 4 tablespoons, and then I need 1 tablespoon of sugar, and I'm using white sugar, salati. I mostly use brown sugar when I'm cooking, but I really want them to be super light. So I just poured in the sugar, and then what I need also is 1 teaspoon of salt. Well, not even 1. Let me just say a quarter of it, guys. Not too much, But I guess you need the sugar and the salt. It kind of makes this thingy chemical. Whenever science lazy, I don't know. And then what I'm going to do is I need another bowl. Wait. Why didn't I think of this? Oh no. Oops. Okay. I'm here. So what we need is, I have my dry ingredients in here. Guys, this thing is so bright. Here. Okay. Dry ingredients. This I'm going to tell you guys what I need it for. I'm all over the place actually. And then we start, ne? 2 eggs. I'm using 2 eggs. 2 eggs. That's all I'm using. Here they are. We're going to separate them and put the egg whites in here and the yolks inside the empty bowl. Can you guys actually see me? Okay, so I'm putting the egg whites in the silver thingy. That's where it actually has to be. Guys, and make sure that where your egg whites are, whatever bowl that you're putting it in, it must not be plastic. and at the same time it must be really clean, like really clean, like really clean, guys. Otherwise they won't work. Okay, let me do the second batch. Not the second batch, the second egg. Anyway, and then egg whites in here. I'll show you guys afterwards because you guys can't actually see what I'm doing. I'm basically doing that whole thing of putting the egg yolk in here and then turning it this side just so the egg whites can go in there. Okay. Okay. So in here I have my egg whites, nothing but egg whites, and then in here it's where you have your yolks. And then what I need is milk also, so I'm going to use the same measuring thing that I was using for the flour because I'm done with it, and I'm going to pour in some milk. So what you basically need is like 1.5, yeah, 1.5, well, yeah, 1.5, wait, what's this? So you just need 1.5 cups of milk. So I put the first half in here. This is another one. Well, the first cup, and this is the half, of course, whatever. So I'm done. What else do I need? Vanilla essence, guys. My vanilla essence is actually so done, but I just needed like half a teaspoon. So I'm just going to pour all of it in here, just so you don't have that eggy taste thingy. I thought about this recipe last night actually, and I was like, to actually have everything, and I realized some of them, but it's fine. And we're done. So now that I'm done, I have my dry ingredients in here and my wet ones in here. So I'm just going to mix, but before that we have to start something so difficult. Let me adjust this thing. I don't like how it is, man. But also, if you're going to whisk anything like egg whites, the trick is to literally put your hand right next to you so that you just use your wrist. I mean your wrist, yeah, your wrist. I almost say risk. Your wrist. And because guys, if you're going to mix it like this, by the time every 5 minutes, your whole hand will be tired and you'll just be like, what the hell am I doing? So just put it next to you, well, your hand, just put it next to you and just, you know, you guys get it. Here's the egg white. So we have to mix them until they become fluffy. I forgot something, guys. Yo, wait, guys. Okay, so I'm just going to use a little bit of tartric acid. Tartric acid, can you guys see? Okay, wait. Tartric acid, a little bit, not too much. Oh, I forgot. But you can use cream of tartar or lemon juice. Actually, I do have lemon juice, but I'll just use this. And, oops, just a little, not too much. It's just so you don't overbeat your egg whites. And Barry whisk until stiff picks or stiff whatever. It's almost getting there, like you can see. It's just, you know, like it's getting there. It's getting there. Yes. Okay, so I'm here. I'm just going to speak from here. This is so weird. So I have my egg whites. So I'm going to mix my egg whites into my mixture. And then we're going to fold them in. Literally just fold them into the mixture. Just fold. Just put it in here. And the games begin. Not amazing, beautiful, and they crisp, literally, like they're so crisp. Guys, they came out. Anyway, guys, I love cooking so much because it's so much fun. I wish I had kids around so I could show them how to do all of this. Oh, don't tell me it has now stuck to the bottom. Okay, I don't have time for this. I'm just going to put it upside down. Here are my waffles. My waffles. So I'm going to do the rest of them and then show you guys how they came out. But this is how they came out. They're so pretty. They're like really pretty. I love them. And they smell divine, guys. So let me do the rest and then I'm done. I'm doing the second one. When I'm done with the second one, and I want to show you guys how they look. Here they are. They look really beautiful. Put some custard sugar over here because I really want to make it 2 different types of waffles. So I want the sweet one and the savory one. But because we're doing it for breakfast, I'm just going to put maybe some yogurt here and some papaya. And then here maybe some sunny side eggs. I don't know, with some bacon or ham. I'll see. But that's my recipe and it came out, and guys, they're so fluffy. It's not even like, oh. Guys, cooking is fun. Just keep on following my YouTube channel, please. So now we'll start with the sweet one, and I'm just going to put some yogurt on it and some papaya. Literally, these are just ideas, guys, and you can literally just play around with them and then see how you want. It's just a lot. Anyway, so I'm just going to put some yogurt on it, maybe in the middle. Depends how you guys want it to be. I love yogurt. So this is granadilla. I have some papaya over here, so I need it. Yeah, I don't want to take out this cutting board, but let me take it out here and cut it. I have it already. I have it here. And then you could literally just play around, guys. Like, literally, it's all you ever do with food, right? You just play around. Should I add apples? I'm not sure if I want to add apples or not. But, yo, guys, I have these camera angles. Zia Mbo Nisa. So, yeah, and then you can just sprinkle some custard sugar if you want. I was going to add apples. Maybe I should, just to add some definition to it. Or some crunch. Actually, no. Let me not add apple. You know what I'm going to add? I have some granola. For the crunch, I have some granola from Woods, as you guys can see. So I'm just going to add a little bit of it. Because, I mean, there's yogurt, there's fruit. Why not? Bada bing, Salt Bay, and just sprinkle it around. Literally, that's all you gotta do. I think enough. Yeah, sharp. And guys, this is dish number 1, which is literally just your breakfast, whatever thingy that you want. I think it should look here. Whatever breakfast thingy that you want. So this is dish number 1. And it's your waffles with some papaya and some yogurt. And we're done with the dish. I want to put spotlight on the dish. So I hope you guys love this. And then now we're going to dish number 2 if you wanted savory. So we're just going to do some sunny side eggs, and then I'm just going to show you guys how to do that, and then we're done. I hope you guys like, subscribe, comment, share. Just tell me what you want me to do next time. And I'm going to make some sure we said we're doing the savory one. I hope you guys can actually see me. This is actually quite difficult. I'm just going to put it a little bit up. I hope you guys can see me. So I'm making some sunny side eggs. They're not that difficult, but they also need oil so that they can hold their shape. But it's not like a lot of oil that I placed in. And then I just wait for this to be hot. This is my other waffles, the extras. Actually, the batch that I made for the waffles, I managed to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 slices or 6 pieces of waffles. So that's quite a lot, especially if you have kids around or if you have visitors around. You might just want to cut them and just stack them up on top and then give them. Yeah, so it kind of works. You know it's hot when your oil literally just swirls all over the place. So let's break the eggs. Great. I don't know what else to put. I think if I had spring onions, because there was going to add some green parts to it. This is all I have for now. It's not really my greatest plating. I'm not really like super proud, and it seems a bit. This is it, guys. I don't like this plating. I wish I had watercress and everything so that it couldn't say it's a bat. That's what I have for now. Sprinkle some salt into your eggs. The main purpose of the whole video is to show you guys how to make waffles, and then you can make them savory and then you can make them sweet. It's up to you how you want to make them, but my key purpose is to teach you guys how to make waffles. You can choose to put whatever you want: blueberries, strawberries. You can go all out asparagus. If you want some poached eggs, I was really lazy to make poached eggs. I was not even about to go there. Bacon. What else can you put onto it? Whatever you want. Avo, I actually have avo, but I'm not going to put it. Avo, tomatoes, baby tomatoes. Literally, the kitchen is like your playground. You can decide to do whatever you want to do with it. Guys, the ball is in your court. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching me make these videos. I don't know if you guys want me to show you guys the food or the whatever thingies that I've made, the waffles, for the last time, and I will. These are the 2 dishes I made. So here we have your breakfast, whatever, fruity, yogurty with a little bit of granola on it, and here I have your heavy brunch, eggs, ham, and what else did I put? Some chili, because I love hot stuff. So, 1, 2. But the main key here was to literally just show you guys how to make a basic waffle. And yeah, waffle and crunchy. They're really crunchy. Like, I don't know if you can hear the sound, but they're crunchy, but they're soft inside. So that was the basic thing. And guys, please, guys, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of some chocolate, of course. Guys, please do like, please do subscribe, please, guys, please. But this is the one I think I'll post this one on Insta, because this one you have to say it's like, guys, like, and I did that thing, and I did that thing. So waffles done and ready. So please, yeah, I would say, do like, subscribe, and share, guys, share to everybody. I hope people love me. I hope you guys do enjoy my first video on YouTube, and even though it's quite stressful, but I did enjoy it. And thank you guys. So what I'm going to say is bye bye. See you guys next time.